DePIN is about people building real-world tools and getting paid in crypto. Here are 5 easy-to-understand DePIN projects. 1. Helium. You run a wireless hotspot, you earn crypto. No mobile company needed. 2. Hivemapper. You drive with a dashcam, you map the world, you earn tokens, like Google Maps, but made by drivers. 3. WeatherXM. You install a weather sensor, you send local data, you earn better forecasts made by the crowd. 4. Filecoin. You rent out unused hard drive space. Others store files on it. You earn tokens. Decentralized cloud storage for the world. 5. Arweave. You store data permanently. You earn a blockchain that keeps information online forever. These projects let regular people help build networks, maps, weather systems, storage, a decentralized internet, and the rewards go to you, not big tech. DePIN is real world and crypto rewards. Which one would you try first?